Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly tell you what is GLM 5.2, a latest brand new AI model made by Z.ai. Also, I will be showing you how to do setup of this GLM 5.2 and how to use it. So guys, this model is so powerful that it beats ChatGPT on coding benchmark. It has 1 million token context window, which means it can understand your entire project at one time. And the best part, you can start using it completely free using Zcode IDE, their official coding agent that give you 5 million free token every single day, and the token are refreshed every day. So guys, let's start. Guys, before setting up this GLM 5.2, let's just go through their official website. Here they are saying that solid 1 million context for this GLM 5.2 is available, and advanced coding task you can do using it without any effort or flexible effort. And the architecture has also been improved, and the very important point is that it is open source, so MIT open source license, so you don't have any limits, any technical access problem with this. Guys, if you scroll down, you can see long horizon task evaluation frontier SWE, where it is showing that it is performing better as compared to Gemini, as compared to GPT. So you can see it is near about 74.4, which is very close to Opus 4.8. So this is technical evaluation of this model. And below, if you scroll down, you can see LLM performance evaluation. It is outperforming as compared to GPT and Gemini. Here you can see in this bar graph, it has been shown that it is performing better as compared to Gemini and GPT, and very close to Anthropic models, that is Claude Opus 4.8. Okay, so now I will take you to next part, that is if you want to migrate to GLM 5.2, what's the reason. So first of all, it provides 1 million context, and coding wise it is best. Okay, so these are the different reason you can migrate to this. And then next thing we have is, if you want to start using it, then a web module is also available, as well as their official ID is also available. You can see it is having various model available like GLM 5.2, GLM 5B turbo, GLM image, and all this model. But we will be using GLM 5.2, and the pricing model, you can see it is very cheap as compared to GPT or Claude and other models. So this is prices per 1 million token, and this is their GitHub page. You can see everything has been given on their GitHub page, and you can use with Hugging Face also. So I'm just taking you to Hugging Face website, and here you can see the model is available. You can try putting things over here, or you can click on this use this model, and when you click on use this model, you need to just log into your Hugging Face account, and then you can chat there also, right? So these are the basic things about GLM 5.2. Now I will quickly show you how to use it through web, as well as how to use it through Zcode ID. So now guys, here I'm just going to this Z.ai, and you can see here we have chat option. So if you want to chat, you can chat, but I feel sign up and then use, so that your things are saved. So here what I will be doing, I will be clicking on sign in button, and then it will show you various option. Just sign it with Google, or you can take other option. I have taken Google. So Z.ai is a official website. You can sign in over there. I have just signed in, and now I can chat with this model. So here I'm just giving some task to it, and you can see various things we have here. We have chat as well as AI PPT. So simple chat like other AI model you are doing, you can do, and then AI PPT. So I would like to try AI PPT, so I'm giving one task to it, that create PPT for something GLM 5.2 overview or feature. So now guys, it's planning and doing all the research over here, and then after that it will create PPT for me. So again, it will take time, so guys, we will wait for it. So guys, you can see the PPT creation is done, and you can see the PPT has been created, and it has been created very nicely, very close to your Gamma AI, which is used for creating PPT. And you can see there is no watermark available for this, so you can use it for creating PPT also. Now what I will do, I will show you how to set up Z code ID so that you can build your project using it. So what you have to do, you have to go to Google and simply search for Z code, and here you can see the official website. Just click on this link, and now you can see download button available. I'm having Windows machine, so it's showing me download for Windows. I'll hit this button and my download has been started, and it is done guys. Now I'm going to simply click on this exe. So here guys, it is asking me whether you want to install for admin or for every user. So I'm just selecting for every user and clicking on next button. It will ask permission, so just allow it, and this is the location where it will be installed. I want to install it default location, so I'm clicking on install button, and guys, you can see installation started. It will not take more time, and it is done. A desktop shortcut is created, and here it's showing run Z code. Yes, I will I want to start the Z code. Now here you need to log in, so you can log in with your Gmail account, or you can log in through API key also. So for API you can use Cloudflare or other way. So now here I'm just showing you login through Google. So I'm simply clicking on this login through Google. So I need to simply sign in with this Google, and here you can see it's showing that authentication successful and open Z code. Okay, so here my Z code authentication is successful, and now I can use this Z code for creating my code. This is the interface which it is showing. We have option for new chat, we have skills option, as well as we have Z code project where we can create project. Here you can see we have different options, like you can allow full access or ask every time. So decide and allow the access, and these are the models available. So we'll be using GLM 5.2, and you can add other models also through their API key. Okay, so here is the option for taking other model, so you can click on add provider. And guys, here you can see about Z.ai starting plan, and now it's showing me that it will expire on 26. So I've created this video on 22nd June, and it's showing me that it will expire. So I think this 1 million token is valid for from 22 to 26. After that it will expire and it will refresh. So I'm using it first time, so I cannot tell you that what will happen after this period after 26 June. So I will check it out afterwards, and then I can comment on it. And here you can see GLM 5.2 100% and 1 million token it is showing, right? So now other details we have over here, like we can have skills, we can install skills, MCP server, plugins, and uses, and all these are available. You can explore all this. Now I will again go back to my workspace, and here I will give a simple task to this. So what task I'm giving? So let's give a simple Python program for student percentage marks. So a simple, very simple Python program I'm giving, and it has hardly taken second, and it has generated program. I have already opened one folder inside this, and it's creating this calculator.py file. Now you can run this py file either through VS Code or through your IDLE. Now next thing is what guys, now I'm going to give it some complex task, not very very complex. Let's give some task that create a GUI based calculator with clean and minimal UI. So now I have given this task, so it has started working on it. It will plan it and then it will build it. And guys, you can see it has created this file, this calculator.py file. And now I would like to run this, so I am opening my VS Code, and here is my calculator.py file, and I'm just hitting on this play button. So you can see I'm getting my calculator. So I tried to use it. It is doing perfectly. So you can also use it. So it's free. So just try and use it. And guys, let me through comment what application you have made using this. You can try to create website, your portfolio website and all that. So guys, this AI wrote my code and completely free. Honestly, guys, when I first tried this, I could not believe it that it is completely free. So since it is open source, and guys, it is incredible. And the best part is you did not need to know how to code. You just tell it what is to be done and it will do everything for you. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope by following my video you are able to successfully set up and use GLM 5.2 on your Windows. And guys, this tool is completely free. It writes working code from scratch and it is perfect for absolute beginner. It refreshes. That's what I have read, that it refresh every time. So guys, let me know in the comment box what task did you try with GLM 5.2. I would love to know. And if my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button. And if you have any query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, I'm having another channel. And guys, I'm having another channel, Code with Sunita in Hindi. Certainly, you can visit that channel. I'm having my website cscornersunitarai.com, where I'm posting lots of tutorial that too free. You can certainly watch that tutorials. And guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss my next video. For subscribing channel, you don't have to pay anything, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.